Have you ever wondered if your phone is using the best settings? Many people use their phones every day without realizing that a few settings can improve battery life, privacy, and performance. Here are 5 phone settings you should check right now. Number 1. Review app permissions. Many apps have access to things they don't actually need. Go to your settings and check which apps can access your camera, microphone, contacts, and photos. If an app doesn't need a permission, turn it off. This can improve both privacy and security. Number 2. Check location access. Location services can be useful, but some apps keep tracking your location even when you're not using them. Open your location settings and change apps to only while using the app whenever possible. This can help save battery life and protect your privacy. Number 3. Enable battery optimization. Most phones have built-in battery optimization features. These help reduce background activity from apps that you're not actively using. If your battery drains too quickly, this setting can make a noticeable difference. Number 4. Delete unused apps. Many people have apps installed that they haven't opened in months. Unused apps take up storage space and sometimes continue working in the background. Removing apps you don't use can free up space and help your phone run more smoothly. Number 5. Keep your phone updated. Software updates are not just about new features. They often include security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Keeping your phone updated is one of the easiest ways to keep it running properly. So those are 5 phone settings you should check right now. Small changes can improve battery life, privacy, storage, and overall performance. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple tech tips and phone tricks.